lifelong learning.
A magical journey.
Freedom.
I terribly missed my professors.
Campus life.
It feels amazing, refreshing to see everyone around.
It feels like home.
It feels great, but kind of nostalgic. I wish I was back here again.
It's very nostalgic. I missed connecting with my friends and the people I've studied with and I've worked with. One of the greatest things Habib gave me was the tradition of community building and networks, but also to look at world critically and make some lifelong impact in it.
The strong and vibrant values of Habib University, which is obviously the Yosin values.